Adidas Harden Volume 10 Year of the Horse is quickly becoming one of the most talked about upcoming basketball sneakers, capturing attention even before its official Spring 2026 release. Building on the success of the Harden Volume 9, this new model keeps the same performance-ready silhouette but introduces a modern closed-shell design with striking oval ripples across the upper. Early pairs have already been spotted on James Harden, several Clippers teammates, and OKC star Jalen Williams, further boosting hype among basketball fans. This special Chinese New Year edition stands out with its maroon upper, black inner bootie, and soft gold-beige detailing. The heel showcases faux horsehair for a bold nod to the Year of the Horse, paired with red and white pull tabs. A static textured toe box and icy blue outsole sections complete the premium look. Expect the Adidas Harden Volume 10 Year of the Horse to drop around mid-February 2026, making it one of the most anticipated releases of the season.